What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. As you guys can tell, I no longer have the VIS Carbon Fiber Hood. I actually traded it for a Seibon TS style carbon fiber hood, and here's why. Now, one of the main reasons why I decided to go through with this trade was pretty simple. I wanted a vented hood. The vented hood does add that extra touch to the front end, and it does make the front end much more aggressive, especially since it's paired with OEM UAE front with the Modulo V2 lip. And given the fact that the Seibon hood does have vents, the Seibon hood is lighter than the VIS carbon fiber hood, so I guess we are shaving a few pounds in that regard. Now, don't get me wrong, I do like the look of the OE style VIS carbon fiber hood because it has the hood profile of the 2013 to 2015 9th Gen Civics. The 2013 to 2015 9th Gen Civic hood profile does bulge out a lot more. It has more bottom lines on the hood itself. The Seibon hood does have the hood profile of the 2012 9th Gen Civic sedans and the 2012 to 2013 9th Gen Civic coupes, which, as you guys can see here, is pretty flat. Again, I do prefer the bulge from the VIS carbon fiber hood, but I guess the vents on the Seibon hood does make up for that. Also, one of the main concerns that people often ask is if I'm not afraid of water getting into the engine bay. Well, not really, because I do live out in California and we hardly see any rain. And even if it did rain, I probably wouldn't drive the car, or I would just switch the hood back to the stock one, which is not a big deal for me. Also, with the vents, I did notice that the engine bay does get significantly dirtier, but that's not really a big problem for me because I do clean the engine bay regularly on the Civic. Now, the fitment on the Seibon hood is a tad better than the VIS hood. The gaps are pretty even on both sides where the hood meets with the fender, and also when the hood is lashed, it has a nice ding to it compared to the VIS one. It had a very hard sound when it latches, so that was kind of odd. Quality wise, for this being a used hood and seeing a couple days on the track, it has held up pretty well. So there it is, guys, my brand new to me Seibon TS style vented hood on my 2012 9th Gen Civic SI. Let me know what you guys think about the new hood. But until then, guys, I'm gonna wrap up the video here. Thank you guys for tuning in all the way to the end. I do appreciate it. But that's gonna do it for today's video. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace.